Tanzania is driving to boost its manufacturing sector. Tanzanian manufacturer Saturn assembles Chinese Sinotruk Howo trucks. The plant has already built 150 trucks since it started in March and has created 250 direct and 1,800 indirect jobs. The president says the state-of-the-art facility not only represents a significant leap in local manufacturing capabilities, but also a strategic move to make Tanzania a hub for industrialization in East Africa.
We must not let all the products be made in other countries. We send them our raw materials and then they make the goods and grow their economies while providing livelihoods for their people. We no longer want that kind of economy. We now want to manufacture locally because we have raw materials and we will grow our sector.
The company used to distribute the Chinese trucks, but recently brought the assembly to Tanzania. It has forged relationships with Chinese partners to ensure the local workforce is trained in the latest manufacturing technologies.
Winmart Group's expansion into manufacturing, especially the assembly of certain Sinotruk, demonstrate their dedication to the development of the automotive industry in Tanzania. The venture will not only provide quality vehicles but also contribute to the country's overall infrastructure and transportation sector.
The manufacturing sector has shown steady growth over the years, registering an 8.3 annual growth rate in 2023 and accounting for 8.1% of GDP. Unreliable power and unclear policies had historically affected the growth rate of the manufacturing sector. The recent activation of a new hydropower plant is aimed at addressing the matter and ensuring a reliable power supply. Industry voices say that could see the sector grow even further. The Tanzanian Investment Center is an agency that handles local and foreign investment registration. Last year, it recorded 237 projects in the manufacturing sector. Gilad Terry, who heads the center, says Tanzania is on the road to becoming a manufacturing powerhouse.
These manufacturers will be producing not only for domestic market, which means there is a huge market within the country, but also as part of the East African community and the Southern African development market. The message to investors out there in the world is if you set up in Tanzania, you are able to enjoy a market of close to 400 million people.
Tanzania's leap into manufacturing marks a significant milestone in its economic development story. With companies like the Saturn Sinotruk truck assembly factory leading the charge, the factory is paving the way for a brighter, more industrious economy. Daniel Kijo, CGTN, Dar es Salaam, Tanzania.